5 habits for all-day energy. Let me introduce you to Ava. She's a 28-year-old designer who used to wake up groggy, snooze 3 times, and rely on 2 coffees just to get going. But within a week of trying a few simple morning tweaks, everything changed. No brain fog, no crash, just steady, all-day energy. And today, I'm showing you the exact 5 habits Ava used to biohack her morning routine. So you can do the same. Chapter 1. Hydrate first thing. First thing Ava did? Hydrate. After 7 to 8 hours of sleep, your body is dehydrated, and that alone can make you feel sluggish. Why it works. Drinking 500 to 750 milliliters of water immediately after waking boosts circulation, flushes overnight waste, and supports metabolism. Pro tip: add a pinch of sea salt or electrolytes for better hydration. Chapter 2. Cold water face splash. Next, Ava splashed cold water on her face, not a full cold shower. Why it works. Cold exposure triggers the nervous system, increases alertness, and improves circulation, even if it's just on your face. How? Splash cold water on your face for 30 to 60 seconds after brushing your teeth. It's a simple yet effective jolt of energy. Chapter 3. Get sunlight exposure. Then you stepped outside, yes, even before coffee? Why it works. Morning sunlight resets your circadian rhythm, boosts serotonin, and helps you wake up naturally. How? Get 5 to 10 minutes of outdoor light exposure within 30 minutes of waking. Cloudy? Still works. Chapter 4. Move your body. Ava didn't hit the gym, just a few minutes of light movement. Why it works. Gentle movement improves blood flow, boosts oxygen to the brain, and lifts mood. What to do? Try stretching, yoga, or brisk walking for 5 to 10 minutes. Chapter 5. Mindfulness or breathwork. And finally, before she grabbed breakfast or opened her laptop, Ava paused. Why it works. Breathwork or mindfulness lowers cortisol, increases clarity, and supports emotional balance. How? Try box breathing, journaling, or just a few deep, intentional breaths for 5 minutes. Chapter 6. Which of morning habits will you start? Which of these 5 morning habits will you start tomorrow? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this helpful, like and subscribe for weekly science-backed health tips. Stay energized, stay sharp. See you in the next one.